This is the Frugal Gardener, hashtag WV Frugal Gardener, and I'm here to ask for a favor, which I never do. I am approaching my 2,000th subscriber on YouTube, and you can help me out by subscribing and help me to reach that milestone. What I'm showing you here are some of the cabbage. I'm growing cabbage and I'm growing collard greens, and we had a really bad frost, and we've had snow, and we've had all kinds of issues where a lot of the gardeners, they just pack up in the fall and you don't see them till the spring. But if you want to subscribe to a channel where there's somebody here year round, there's always something going on. This is a channel you may want to consider subscribing to. But like I said, if you've watched my videos or if this is your first time, help me out, do me a favor, hit the subscription button, help me get to that 2,000 mark. I appreciate it. I'll catch you guys on the next video in a few days. And remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Thanks in advance. Have a great day.